Imagine a world where your organization's compliance efforts are airtight and regulatory vulnerabilities are a thing of the past. That's the power of becoming a certified compliance auditor. Without proper auditing, organizations risk costly fines, legal battles, and irreparable reputational damage. Employees left in the dark about compliance protocols can inadvertently expose your company to significant risks. For individuals, a lack of auditing skills can hinder career growth and leave you ill-equipped to identify and address compliance gaps, potentially jeopardizing your professional standing. But fear not. The Certified Compliance Auditor training course is your lifeline, empowering you with the tools to ensure your organization operates within the boundaries of the law and industry standards. Through this comprehensive training, your organization will gain a robust auditing framework, enabling you to proactively identify and mitigate compliance risks, foster a culture of accountability, and safeguard against costly legal repercussions. As an individual, you'll master the art of conducting thorough compliance audits, interpreting complex regulations, and developing effective remediation plans to address any gaps or weaknesses. Don't let compliance challenges hold you back any longer. Embrace the power of auditing expertise and register for the Certified Compliance Auditor training course today. Your path to regulatory excellence starts here.